case you were wondering why I wasn't super responsive over the summer, or why I haven't been reaching out more, I just felt like I should let you know that my situation has changed, and that over the summer I ended up in a relationship that I am still in. I am sorry if this caused me to handle stuff between us badly. I just wasn't sure exactly what to do. And excuse me for bringing this up if it's irrelevant to you. I just wanted to explain what happened, since I decided that saying nothing really wasn't very courteous. I'm really glad that I met you last year, and I hope we can be on good terms going forward. Wow, I'm so sorry for that.